Do you offer garage, balcony, or outdoor furniture cleaning?
Absolutely. We treat outdoor areas as just as important as indoor rooms when preparing a home for sale. After all, buyers care about first impressions, and your outdoor areas can make or break a viewing. We offer professional garage cleaning, balcony cleaning, and even outdoor furniture wipe downs as part of our presale service. Garage and storage areas, dusting and cobweb removal from ceilings and corners, sweeping, vacuuming, and surface mopping, light degreasing of floor stains where possible, removing built-up dust or stored rubbish by request, balconies, courtyards and patios, high-pressure washing or sweeping, spot cleaning railings, doors, windows, tiles, removing cobwebs, leaves, or bird droppings, outdoor furniture, wipe down of chairs, tables, benches, and cushions, removal of dust, water stains, or mildew buildup. Buyers love outdoor living, and we make sure your external spaces feel inviting, low maintenance, and ready to enjoy. Whether it's a small balcony or a sprawling deck, we'll get it buyer ready.